Hello, and a very warm welcome to the News in Flash column presented to you by Losico. I am Anupam Bhaduri here, and now let's proceed into the News in Flash for 20th December 2021. First off, we have the Goa Liberation Day. Goa's Liberation Day is observed on December 19th. After India gained independence in 1947, Goa was still under the Portuguese rule for 14 years. When India got its independence, Goa's liberation achieved its confidence and initiated multiple agitations. The then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru sent armed forces to which the Portuguese surrendered, and the coastal state acquired its liberation on December 19th, 1961. There was an issue related to the merger of Goa into the Maharashtra state, but it was resolved by a plebiscite in which the majority of Goa residents were against the merger. Goa continued to be an union territory till 1987 and then was given statehood by becoming the 25th state of India. Secondly, we have private hospitals to be tagged for being breastfeeding friendly. A new initiative will now help mothers identify breastfeeding friendly hospitals before they give birth. The Breastfeeding Promotion Network of India, BPNI, in collaboration with Association of Healthcare Providers of India, which comprises more than 12,000 private hospitals, has launched an accreditation program that will enable hospitals to get a breastfeeding friendly tag. This program is called Baby Friendly Hospital Initiative, BFHI. Thirdly, we have Indian desert cat spotted in MP's Panna Tiger Reserve. An Indian desert cat has been spotted for the first time in Madhya Pradesh's Panna Tiger Reserve, a senior forest official claimed. As the name suggests, this cat is found in deserts and can survive without water. The toes of the species have cushion like hair which help it balance the fluctuating desert temperatures, the official said. The species of cat, which mostly eats fish as its food, is becoming extinct. In August this year, a fishing cat, one of the endangered animals in India, was spotted in the PTR, state government officials earlier said. Next up, we have K. Srikanth scripts history, becomes first Indian male to enter final of BWF World Championship. Former world number one Kidambi Srikanth failed at the last hurdle and settled for silver medal at the 2021 BWF World Championships on Sunday. After becoming the first ever Indian to make the men's single finals at the Worlds, the 28-year-old took a good lead in the first game against Lo Kian Yu of Singapore at Carolina Marine Stadium in Huelva, Spain. So this was all for the news in Flash today. We hope you liked the session. For getting notified about further sessions, click the subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Thank you.